If you're looking for an easy hiking course, Mount Meshimori in Wakayama Prefecture is a great choice. It is 340.7 meters high and takes about an hour to climb. There are so many interesting things you can see on the way to the top. There is this Tainai Kuguri test of faith in which women who make the journey through the cave will have a smooth delivery if they're expecting a child. It sounded so interesting, so of course we had to try. The cave is too small, so be ready to get dirty. There is also this Chichi-Iwa rock in which legend has it that a member of the powerful Fujiwara clan and his wife were in pilgrimage to Kumano when suddenly his wife went into labor and had to give birth inside this cave. They decided to leave the child here for a while, but a wolf came and saved the child by dropping milk down the rock. Hence the name Chichi-Iwa, which means milk rock. The view from the top is amazing. If it's not foggy, you can see Mount Fuji, Yatsugatake Mountains, Akaishi Mountains, and even a golf course. You can enjoy a 360 panorama here. After the hike, you can relax by the river at the base of the mountain and enjoy an amazing view of the mountains around the area. There is also a shrine and a toilet nearby.